Aloha! We are no. Welcome to
What are you nervous for?
Okay, let me try again. Aloha! Welcome to Kauai!
We spent a week in Kauai exploring everything we could on the island, and we narrowed it down to the best things for you to do. We are talking hikes, beaches, which hotels to stay at, a few hidden gems scattered around the island.
We're gonna start at our favorite place in the entire world, the Na Pali Coast.
Oh, it is beautiful.
We did a few different hikes here, but our favorite hike we did was Awa-awapuhi Ridge.
Nice job, first try.
Thank you.
Honopu Ridge was also really cool, but our favorite way to see this place was on an excursion. We did the Captain Andy's Raft tour, which takes you all around the coast and stops at a few different beaches and hikes, and you get to snorkel with sea turtles. And we had a special surprise seeing sea turtles on the beach.
And dolphins.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
Part of the island, the one stop you have to hit is the Queen's Bath. It's a super cool tide pool that you can swim in when the tides are out, and you'll see a bunch of colorful fish, and there's even a little cliff jump you can do into the water.
Make sure to only do that when it's safe. So sometimes during the day, the surf gets really high and it can pull you out. So make sure to check ahead of time whether you should be going there. On the east part of the island and down south is the Wailua Area. And here there's a ton of awesome waterfalls and hikes that you can do. Our favorite was Wailua Falls, It was a beautiful double waterfall, or is it a triple waterfall? It's a triple waterfall. There's also a few hikes. We did the Makaleha Falls Trail and got lost along the way, but we still got to see a cool bamboo forest. And then there's also the Sleeping Giant Trail, which is great at sunset.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. Until the end of time. Till the stars fade away and your scars don't say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
We stayed at 3 different hotels on the island, and we had a great experience at each of them. Number 1 was the Grand Hyatt Kauai. We absolutely loved the Grand Hyatt Kauai. It has everything that you would need for a trip to Kauai. It's got a beach right on site, a really cool cliffside hike. There are acres and acres of pools. There's so many pools. There's even like koi ponds, and we had a beautiful view of the sunset.
The next place we stayed was Waimea Plantation Cottages, and this place just felt like home because you get your own little cottage with your own kitchen and bedroom, bathroom, and it was, again, right on the beach, but an extra special beach because this one was a black sand beach.
It's the Waimea Black Sand Beach. It's a must-see on your trip to Kauai, and you get to see it where you're staying when you stay at the Plantation Cottages.
Yes. The third place we stayed was the Kauai Beach Resort, and again, another beautiful place right on the beach, and it's located really close to the airport. What we recommend is do a few different locations around the island so you get to see the entire place. It's a tiny island, but there is so much to see and you don't want to miss anything.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me?
you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And stick around because we have a fun little video here at the end to show you.